Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to download emails from Gmail. Okay, so you can download single emails or you can download your all emails from your Gmail account to your hard drive or your computer. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my Gmail. So guys, this is my Gmail. So if you want to download only one single email, so just click on this email and you can click here this three dot and you can download from here. Okay, if you download it, it will be download as a Outlook file or it will be open in Outlook. So if you want to save your email in as a PDF, so just click on print and just print. You have to select save as a PDF and just save it in your device, so it will be saved as a PDF. Okay, so it is for only single. Okay, so now if you want to export or download all emails to your computer or hard drive, so click on this profile and go to the manage your Google account, and here you have to click data and privacy. Just scroll down and here you can see your download option, download and delete your click on it in download data, and here you can see all option you can download. So just deselect all and now you have to select only mail. Click on mail and just download. Click on next step and you have to select export once zip file and you have to select up to GB. If you have huge email data in your email, you select maximum. I just select 2 GB only. You can create export and Google will send you the copy on email. Just wait for 1 or 2 hours, it will be send you. It will be sent like this. No, I don't have. Okay, so it will be sent to your email ID after 1 hour. So just open it and you then the zip file will be downloaded in your folder, sorry, your computer. Now you have to unzip it and now you can open your email. Okay, so guys, it is, yeah, done. I got the email and I can download file from here. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.